हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल स्टडी विद पंकज सर। आज हम बिजनेस स्टडीज़ में चैप्टर 1 नेचर एंड पर्पस ऑफ बिजनेस के MCQ क्विज करेंगे जो एग्ज़ाम्स में क्वेश्चन आ सकते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, विच ऑफ फॉलोइंग does not characterize business activity? Option number 1, production of goods and services. Option number 2, presence of risk. Option number 3, sale or exchange of goods and services. Option number 4, salary or wages. Right answer is option number 4. Salary or wages does not characterize business activity. Next question. Which one of broad categories of industries covers oil refinery and sugar mills? Options are: first option primary, second option secondary, third option tertiary, fourth option none of them. Right answer is option number 2. Secondary categories of industries covers oil refinery and sugar mills. Next question. Which of following cannot be classified as an auxiliary to trade? Option number 1, mining. Option number 2, insurance. Option number 3, warehousing. Option number 4, transport. Right answer is option number 1. Mining cannot be classified as an auxiliary to trade. The occupation in which people work for others and get remunerated in return is known as: first option business, second option profession, third option employment, fourth option none of them. Right answer is option number 3. The occupation in which people work for others and get remunerated in return is known as employment. Next question. The industries which provide support services to other industries are known as: first option primary industries, second option secondary industries, third option commercial industries, fourth option tertiary industries. Right answer is option number 4. The industries which provide support services to other industries are known as tertiary industries. Next question. Which of following cannot be classified as an objective of business? First option investment, second option productivity, third option innovation, fourth option profit earning. Right answer is option number 1. Investment cannot be classified as an objective of business. Next question. Business risk is not likely to arise due to: first option changes in government policy, second option good management, third option employee dishonesty, fourth option power failure. Right answer is option number 2. Business risk is not likely to arise due to good management. Thanks for participating in quiz. We will meet in next quiz. Those who have not subscribed my channel, please like, share and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Thank you.